So next one, AEMULUS. So all these tech stocks have a very similar characteristics, which is there's a panic sell on this day. Supply is not excessively high, but certainly there is an increasing of the supply if we compare it to here. But subsequently, also let's this last two bar, there's no supply. So in terms of the structure, I think there's no change. I have covered AEMULUS before. I won't repeat it. So it's still within this big type of the structure, big chunk of the structure. So at the moment, I want to see a commitment above 109, or I would say, yeah, it's just 109. So want to see commitment above 109. And if it can, then I think that could form another entry with your tight stop here or even below here. So depending on your trade, whether you want a quick swing up or you want to keep holding this position, because there's certainly quite a lot of the courses built for this. So either here or here. So there's a AEMULUS. Yeah, SAMCHEM is, I think it's probably first covered somewhere around here, but it did not really, I'm sorry, I think it's covered somewhere around here and there's no breakout. Instead, there is a immediate sell off, but it's sort of coming back, breaking out. So at the moment, don't chase in. I'm waiting for a pullback. So since that we see that there is a spike of the volume, I put my alert here. 855. So I want to see how it actually interact, whether you can come back to test the support, trade the reversal. So just waiting. So for SAMCHEM, just wait for it to pull back. Whether it can pull back, then we can decide from there.